Hi, I'm John Herring with Swan Energy. I'm the Director of Exploration here, and today we're going to talk about how to read a mud log. A mud log is taken while drilling the well. As we drill approximately an 8-inch well 2 miles into the ground, all the samples we drill up are circulated to the surface. As they are, they're looked at by a geologist under a microscope and tested for a lot of different properties. As well as that, a mud log also keeps track of the operations going on the rig. Let's hop right into a mud log and see what one looks like. First, we go over the cover page. The cover page gives you a lot of information about the well that's drilling, the company doing the mud logging. On this cover page, you'll see the well name Rex 118. It's a well we drilled about a year and a half ago in McLean County, Oklahoma. It'll give you the location, the license number, which is also known as the API number, American Petroleum Institute. The spud date when we commenced drilling operations, the coordinates, the ground elevation, the logged interval, that's where they started logging. Typically we start mud logging at a depth sufficient to catch our first prospective zone, which is usually 5,000 to 7,000 feet where we start mud logging in McLean County. Gives you the operator and the geologist on the well. The second page of the mud log gets a little more into what you're going to see on your mud log. First, you're going to see a list of rock types. Those rock types are color coded with patterns to tell you which rock types you're going to be seeing and how they're going to depict them in the mud log. For our purposes, we really are only interested in shale, sandstone, and limestone. You will see occasional dolomite, but the shale, limestone, and sandstone are primarily what we see in McLean County. Below that, you'll see a box of accessories. Now, these are all the minerals that can be found, or fossils, or little stringers of coal or anhydrite or dolomite. Also textures. They're not as important. They will be used very occasionally in the mud log. We may or may not see one as we evaluate this log. And then there's other symbols under porosity, whether they're calling them rounded, sub-rounded, oil shows, even spotted. And that one we will certainly see. And the sorting, well, moderate, poor. That's also described in writing, the sorting and the rounding and the porosity. We'll see that as we go along. Just below the other symbols, you'll see the header for the log. This will be referred back to see what's going on this log. You can think of this log as an EKG while drilling. And really, I'm listing about 6 EKGs here. First box on the left is survey data. Gives you an idea of what's going on with the rig at any given time. The second one, blue and red, ROP, rate of penetration, how fast we're drilling. Typically sandstones drill fast and shales can drill and limestones drill slow, so the speed of drilling gives you an idea of what you're